Hey there, we don't have a lot of desserts on the site, but I'm gonna share something that'll help save you from ice cream and cake. So come right back for my coconut mango fruit bake. Woo! Keep it paleo. We're gonna start off with 2 Granny Smith apples. We're gonna dice these up, kind of a rustic, large dice, something about that size. These will go in a bowl. Then I'll squeeze the juice of half a lemon over the apples. I'm gonna toss them up. And that'll just keep them from oxidizing. Oxidative enzymatic browning happens. You guys know that when you cut the apple? That'll help prevent that while we're working the rest of our ingredients. Next up are the mangoes. Mangoes are peeled. How I do is I'll cut the bottom off and I'll stand them up and kind of guess where that pit or that seed is. Right there, get around that. And right on the other side. And then I'll kind of carve around it, something like that. All right, then when we go to cut these about the same size as the apple. All right, next we're gonna add some nuts. I got pecans and walnuts, about a cup of each. About a cup of raisins. I've got some cinnamon, some honey, and then I got about 20 apricots. These guys I'm gonna quarter. Apricots are done. They're going in the bowl. I'm gonna start mixing this up. And the goal with the mix here is to get that honey kind of evenly dispersed through all the ingredients. It has a tendency to clump into one area. And next we'll go in with about a cup of coconut milk. All right, we'll set that aside. And then I've got some ramekins I'll bring into play and some coconut oil. I'll just use that to kind of line each of these ramekins. And then once those are lined, we're just gonna fill them up. We've got 11 ramekins loaded up with our fruit and nut mixture. They're looking great and tasting. Even better, I could eat it just like this right now. We're gonna get them in the oven 400 for about a half an hour. I'll show you what they look like. The fruit cups are looking great, you guys. I'm gonna finish these off with a drizzle of honey. Go up high, get it drizzling, and then just kind of do one of these. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then some orange zest. And then a little lime zest. All right, so we're all garnished up with our honey and our zest. Love it, man. I'm definitely picking up on that zest. Super simple, you guys. Bake these off, you can freeze them, you can store them in your fridge, and just have them ready for when you're tempted. And this is the kind of thing that you can rely on to help you keep it paleo.